Transform your cold outreach from a chore into a hyper-personalized, automated powerhouse. Let's build a personalized cold outreach system in Zapier, broken down into 5 key steps to supercharge your lead engagement. Step 1, connect your data. For this tutorial, we'll use a new contact added to a Google Sheet as our trigger. Your data source could be anything from a CRM like HubSpot to just a simple spreadsheet in Zapier. Select Google Sheets as your trigger app and choose the event New Spreadsheet row. Next, pick the specific spreadsheet and worksheet where your new leads will appear. Zapier will then pull in a sample row to test the connection. Step 2, choose your email app for sending personalized emails. Select your preferred email platform, as the action will use Gmail for this demonstration. The event here will be Send Email. Now, the magic of personalization in the To field. Map the email address from your Google Sheet trigger for the subject and body. Pull in specific data points from your spreadsheet. Imagine this. Hi. 1. Dynamically inserted, making your email feel truly individual. You can pull in company names, job titles, or any other relevant information. Step 3, implement smart delays to avoid overwhelming leads. We add a delay before sending follow-up emails in Zapier. Search for and select the delay by Zapier app. Choose the event, delay until. Here, you can set a time for your follow-up. For instance, delay for 2 days. This ensures your message arrives at the right moment, respecting your lead's inbox. Step 4, craft your follow-up. Add another Gmail, send email action again. Map the recipient, and this time, use different personalization tokens and a distinct message. This is your automated follow-up sequence, continuing the conversation from where you left off. Step 5, test and activate before going live. Thoroughly test your entire Zap. Send a test lead through your system and verify that each email is sent and personalized correctly. Once you're satisfied, turn your Zap on, and your automated, personalized cold outreach system is ready to go.